actually, this might be what I was looking for. Oh, hey there, buddy. How's it going? Just minding my own business. All right, that's a good sign. Chickens. There were a lot where I came from. Is it that way? Up the hill, they say. The spirits, the ghosts say I must go up a hill. All right, egg you later. Aha. Is this nope. All right. Well, there's a jungle. There's a jungle. It's interesting. The different colors in this texture pack. Craft, if you haven't already, do it. Oh, that's cool. Oh, cows! Yes! Oh, I need to drop something. Alright, what to drop? What to drop? Crafting table. Crafting table can go... let's put it right there. That'll mess with somebody. Oh, okay. Hey, buddy. Ah, sick. That's right. There's 2 items. Darn you. Blocks. Oh, awesome. I didn't even notice that. I was wondering how I got blocks. Well, hello there. You handsome little... Come here, you. Aha! I see a torch. Okay, I know where I am. I see a torch. The torch to light the one. Yep. Alright. That is a sheer drop. That guy did not respond very fast. He was a late flumer. Oh wow. The chickens are in heat today. Holy snap. There's a misty tree. Yeah, I know. I noticed. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, okay. So I know where some nice viney trees are now. That'll be helpful. Aha! This is of course the pulsating waterfall that you may have seen or not. Wow, that is something. Ooh, that's something too. Something else. That's something and that's something else. Alright, let's see if we can do this. A. That's pretty cool. Do some elevator music. You got some elevator music? Nope. Oh. Whoa. Come on, buddy. You got it in ya. I know you do. Oh yeah. And the trees are growing in nicely. I see. Planted some trees up here so I wouldn't have to wait for oh, that's too close. Oh. That one looks so weird because it's like above the clouds. That's pretty cool. All right. It's like yeah, that was poor decision. Let's just chook. Let us put it right here. And we'll just break that real quick. Throw you out the door. Directly out the door. Hoo! Ooh! Alright. Whoop! And this is the start of my floating place. You get the first look as I fall to my death. Alright. So we got bones, we got lots and lots of iron, some flint, gunpowder, diamonds, lapis, potato carrot. Got 2 potatoes now. Rolling in the potatoes. I live in Idaho style. Leather, blocks, dirt. Ooh, furnaces. I should plant those pretty soon before they ripen. Well, I have a ton of them, don't I? Whoop. All right. That one's kind of all alone. All by himself. Himself. That's terrible.